Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Simple Lawn Solutions Lawn Fertilizer. If you're looking for an effective natural fertilizer that has the highest NPK rating, it is recommended to consider the Extreme Lawn Growth. This premium product made by the US is an ideal choice for grass that is newer and safe for your pets and children in the same time. It is a natural and non-toxic, and will boost both the vertical and the lateral development of your grass regardless of the type of grass you've decided to cultivate. It is a highly effective formula that contains humic and fulvic acids. It is an ideal option for new lawns. The amount of phosphorus used can encourage the growth of roots. However, the nitrogen and potassium levels can help to strengthen the resistance of your grass against pests. If it's cold, you can expect slower growth for your grass. In any case, you will be able to see a better lawn within a couple of days following the application of this fertilizer. Our second best lawn fertilizer is Scott's Turf Lawn Fertilizer. This is among the most effective ways to improve seeding results. It makes new grass 70% larger, 35% more quickly when compared to grass that has not been fed. Scott's Turf Building Starter Food for new grass feeds help the new grass to take root and develop. It makes green grass up to 70% more dense and is 35% faster. If you're planning to plant new grass, creating the lawn from scratch or reseeding one you already have or installing sod, grass plugs or sprigs, Scott's Turf Building Starter Food for new grass is suitable for use on all grass kind. Once you've established your new grass, ensure that you water it every daily or as often as you want to ensure that the soil remains damp. Keep feeding your lawn until it has a lush and green appearance. Then, wait to trim the lawn until your grass is at a minimum of 3 inches high. Third choice in our list is Miracle Grow Lawn Fertilizer. While a majority people prefer organic fertilizers, there are times when we require a synthetic fertilizer. If that is the situation, you'll need to select a high-quality product like Miracle Grow's Lawn Fertilizer. It is available in the form of a container weighing 2.3 kilograms that is sufficient to cover around 4,000 square feet on your grass. When you apply the water-soluble fertilizer to your lawn, it'll be absorbed into the roots of your grass quickly and you can anticipate a spectacular result within some days. In reality, you can be certain that it will help to increase the growth of your leaves or stems as well as roots of your lawn over the long term. The formula of this fertilizer is to provide a certain quantity of beneficial nutrients for your lawn, if you apply it at least once per month, or at least every 6 weeks. I highly recommend it for those who have a lawn filled with mature grass, which just requires a little stimulation to get it to grow robust and healthy. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Simple Lawn Solutions Liquid Fertilizer. A look at the power of quick release and slow release nitrogen fertilizer. 70% quick release nitrogen for rapid absorption of nutrients. 30% slow release nitrogen ensures your lawn fed between applications. It is made up of high-quality feed-grade compounds that nourish your lawn by supplying liquid nutrients. The formula is designed to be quick and easily applied with the sprayer bottle. Including Bermuda, Street Augustine, Zoysia, Buffalo, Centipede, Florida Palmetto, Bahia, Fescue, Ryegrass, and Kentucky Bluegrass. Its 2800 lawn fertilizer food comes with a ready-to-use hose sprayer that delivers the ideal proportion of fertilizer for lawn applications. It covers an area of up to 3,200 square feet with the included sprayer. Nitrogen is the main component of chlorophyll that gives plants their green color. Nitrogen promotes vigorous growth and the growth of a thick and beautiful lawn. The high nitrogen fertilizer was developed to boost the grass by swiftly correcting the nitrogen deficit in soil to create the growth of a strong turfgrass. Nitrogen encourages greening and vertical lateral growth, which results in a more dense and more green lawn if a nutritional deficiency is evident. For more details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best lawn fertilizer list is Scott's Turf Builder Winter Guard Fall Lawn Fertilizer. Strong lawns start in the fall. Feed your lawn with Scott's Turf Builder Winter Guard Fall Lawn Food. It builds strong, deep roots in the fall for a better lawn next spring. This fertilizer delivers the nutrients that lawns need to repair the damage from summer's heat, drought and activity, while ensuring stronger grass next spring. Improves the lawn's ability to absorb water and nutrients versus an unfed lawn. Can be applied to any grass type. Scott's Winter Guard Fall Lawn Food provides nutrients to help repair damage caused by summer heat, drought and regular activity while preparing roots to take on harsh winter conditions. Give grass the nutrients it needs help repair damage from summer heat, drought, and activity. Used to help roots absorb water and nutrients better and more efficiently than an unfed lawn. First, regular feedings help your lawn look its best and provide the nutrients it needs to withstand the stresses of weeds, weather and activity. Secondly, after you mow, leave the grass clippings on the lawn. This allows grass to use water more effectively. Finally, water, utilize nature's sprinkler as much as possible. When you do have to water, do it between 6 and 10 a.m. Less water is lost to evaporation and more reaches the roots. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.